Voice TV GH, quality entertainment and more.
Hello lovely people of Ghana, you are welcome to your Voice TV GH and this program is Entertainment Click. Today we are here inside Akwetema and we are here to talk to an upcoming artist named YMG, the Watermelon hit maker. Stick and stay, we will be right back. YMG, Nemakwaba. Na bibia bokode
na me adon
ye makwaba ye say why busy kakra I say ube you be tint no ye be more some few minutes bi na we nipa koniti na ye wi ana ye no adwetwe nkomo no.
Okay but any problem there.
Okay, YMG mema akwaba ediba your Voice TV GH na bibia bokode.
Oh na me adon it's in comedy Charlie na me kwa yeda na se bia e fine
na Christmas no ye di we ye di na eko YMG di na eko.
Oh Christmas there Charlie you go like you do a lot of shows Charlie but still na shows in Eguso small Christmas there in we but New Year there no so na Charlie still na Eguso born kakra.
Okay, then talking about shows no you were afifufo mu last year me say ububo couple of shows be na shows be na ubo ya like Rangasa said this show there Charlie Akuya mame.
Oh last year Charlie a lot of shows getting to 20 shows but kakra me ko no but Akuya me ko event be I feel like omo abeka that show the name massive from Charlie and about Akuya me ko 28 December ya and Sumoja EP concert the way fans Charlie the way they hear my music now they jump Charlie I show the kill it.
Okay, Ghana for Mesama Makwaba by your Voice TV GH so your name YMG GH na etwetwe nkomo your Voice TV GH Entertainment Click ko Facebook like your page follow us your Voice TV GH Oko YouTuber subscribe to our YouTube channel your Voice TV GH online your Voice TV GH online subscribe to our YouTube na share your videos Instagram at your Voice TV GH Twitter at your Voice TV GH in your Akwetema your upcoming musician nenum air trendy ye baby sano one song I say air trendy pa Watermelon na ye baby sano e dey na inspire na oto say nyum ntino YMG obi baby sa Ghana for fans baby sa YMG ye ka YMG why na YMG and after so what is the meaning first and foremost what is the meaning of YMG?
Oh first of all Charlie YMG did the way by school time primary time on say na metie Leren American Leren on say I'm doing a young money Tim chance am say no this young money there like Ghana ha behind this dino YMG no nti no metie na am there nti me trawa na say no make I add the G to it and you should do YMG. Yeah, so I did I just sitting down. So me created some group we do they are friend YMG family. So about sano ubia to two kwan take come kwan so make a commode the F make a do MG. So never YMG no. Until YMG ni mean I young MG. By young MG no say we be say MG no so say young money gang.
Young money gang. Okay.
I dey Ghana here. So they say make I add the GH to it. So my would Akwetema here there a lot of people know say my name is GH. So make I add do YMG GH. Yeah.
So young money gang GH. So YMG obi be sa emrebe na o start music career. Time be na officially like o start say o record anyum.
Oh. Say school time now like now me a chaplain. Charlie say me doing someone by teachers for no consider me. Now me a chaplain tea. At times your class now is you are in a no to. I'm at national like boys no they am say book BTB our form now like me some small freestyle be. It's me tell some no. Charlie go fit do music Charlie. Me tie obra form mo say call dem mo say no. Me too. That place baby I'm do no means me to me do hobby so make I try and do music so at the village we accommodate come cry here yeah so I cry here I come record my first track we not 2017 we are record my first track but now So I just sit down small and relax. So 2018 yeah, I'm releasing my new single called I Don't Get. Yeah, me need you. I'm releasing with a lot of tracks. But what I know, we say that track there, Charlie. If I go any show, yeah, that track there, people jump on it, rough.
Talking about Watermelon track now. Watermelon, and you know, I think the beat in Watermelon, there been inspire what's a walk can now say obey you about watermelon, your foot, a ding buy.
Oh, say at times a lot of artists, you know, they sing artists and go for mention and cocoa, then you know, make I create my own word. So we say the Nigeria for us, into Nigeria for test by what can FN or and I'm the watermelon the car. Hey, so and go for tea, I'm just a Nigerian in a boy by YMG and a boy. So watermelon no, eh, do you ever me there? Hey, I'm there. See me so make her do something small.
Okay, so watermelon, you know, trendy. Me won't say like a trendy. Are you planning of shooting any music video for watermelon? Because you know, trendy. They won't say music video. So, we are new say one new video. Your fans will not know the Pakra or your YMG. So, are you planning of shooting a music video for watermelon? No?
Yeah, for sure. We say, and you know the Betty video no, and you do the Pakra there. Oh yeah. Until I'm planning, Charlie Bats, we say upcoming artists, I have about video shoot, you know. We say Kakra Vinyano. I also go to studio fee. But video no, so my bread until you be a support to Kakra. The first track in the mini building, my video, no, Charlie. Some padima and below a link here, and a record, and I try. But what I'm also, my planning, my name boss to be a friend Kelly, my name planning, Charlie say, and also this 2020 year. I was a travel video naturally. I do push him out and I'm going to call him.
Okay, Ghana for Mugusu share your voice TVGH entertainment click. Your name Watermelon Hitmaker YMGGH and I teach come on now. Or say you're planning for music video and easy for an upcoming artist to shoot a music video. And you know, also or born home but me buy no me who say he's a hard working guy. Maybe son. Me buy me say na oyi obi ti be person me bisa ne say eti na oyi ni na ejuma oye anase odidi agro enti me bisa no YMG me buy na me say wonya bra oyi obi ti eti na oyi ni is it your job oya anase odidi agro keke
oh eti ni dey challenge yi ache me can say me can create the pen up to for my 12 years.
Wow.
School time in primary Charlie. Wow. Say yasa so Bible shop go nti me post school a me dia bro me bibia nti no me ba kra me adwuma bia ba me ntini ji nti no me oh Charlie make I go check see I go get some Bible shop be work for that oh you know eno an editor studio the studio fee ni ade we be 2 cd 5 cd sana kakabo nti boso me so na Charlie o boss bia kakra bia ja also when your video akuti our studio fee nti the thing dey ni and also come a professional
Charlie, I'm proud of you. Big ups to yourself. Charlie, Ghana for don't be shy of your profession. Watermelon Hitmaker, say Tino ye to survive. Because say one year we are also ontimi them ontimi enhwe no. Na ye baby sano. Say YMG bia wawari anaso a singer na omba mi nsan bi wo no ma. Ye baby sano we will dive into his private life kakra. But ye say yenda ya boafo ase omo support program be. Ye beda Kelsam Pizzles ase. Kelsam Pizzles me pacho bibi a hear about photography and videography. So person we shoot music video, say engagement, say wedding, I hope you ade bia ye photography and videography dem me pacho contact Kelsam Pizzles from 0244818674. I repeat 0244818674. Kelsam Pizzles me pacho we dey offer catch am say unya number ni free your voice TV on be more discount enti me pacho so pe bibia ye photography and say videography pacho me for we need say bibia baby ba ko pe a odi weni be che Kelsam Pizzles YMG last year December year of return Amafobebre back room celebrities from most of the different countries advantage bena uteki concerning this year of return call shows ni bi winning of year link up near that a day year of return a day na who far year of return.
Oh, Charlie, you try say like any baby but don't say I don't know superstars you know say more do level be mean I say nya e ba no e to e was no but me try say Twitter me follow a lot of stars. Me follow one of the DJ Hit FM DJ Rainy. Yeah, me follow now by chance so chama won't do some small thing be na school. You know get I was so drop in the contact mommy. Nti me so me drop in me tracks ni bi man no nti oh. Ti hono ma o say oh me make a record. Nti enu wa me drop in me new track bi kra and also check yourself and also challenge so koso year of return is a Rizzy and also koso anu wa no sa.
So talking about year of 10, I think the minimum say CJ Bigaman your track be some freestyle be edukushia recross. I don't know also watermelon hit maker also one year some freestyle be say be edukushia some of the because celebrities Bartown rappers Bartown I don't know also one try say be oh yeah nimbi na wa tag will be and I say oh be I don't know one you be.
Oh, not like you're working hard. You say some like Empire Africa like Africa 360 Africa. I say Mr. Easy cool here no so me was a group ni bi ntino but team Mr. Easy say like you been some small chance be by small no like my new opportunity no ntino you say like I CJ Bigaman no also here upcoming artist by or working hard chalo work no be easy say be share recross chalo easy so working hard man chalo share no man. So
big up yourself CJ Bigaman for this move Charlie move I think is abuano amana ko chipi abuano amana ko chipi na YMG me say me bisa wo ye rapper anameboa
yeah the rap
so wo ye rapper no most definitely your nkofo bia wo follow mu like o person wo you want to be like them or you want to be like more even than them me person o mame o top 5 best rappers in Ghana top 5 best rappers in Ghana. YMG mami top 5 best rappers in Ghana.
Oh, Charlie, I'm not so but I got top 5 there.
Oh, yeah, mami top 5. Minimum some bros, but oh, mami top 5.
Oh, say Obia on feeling no. Yeah, me feel you are. Ebia, ye tunu mi say Obia on open answer. Obi tumi ga so onye ede enye de. I just say obro asu by o show nkran. Oh, 5 me tumi ama. First of all, say him Kensack number 1. Ana me show ma I will put my godfather AMG Medical, yeah, Medical, Joy B, Charlie, probably called you to be my guy, Strong Mind, T-Flow, Flo Kingston, Charlie a lot.
I think
coming at this because he had to Charlie Big Up, Charlie Grand.
I think the top 5 in a very solid. But you mention of Medical being your godfather. Medical or godfather, I think that you look up to him. Are you planning of doing any collaboration with Medical? Because I think that if you do any collaboration with Medical, maybe you can blow. Are you planning of even contacting Medical management team? Say, "Oh baby, Biana."
I'm planning, Charlie. You say, my new track my release, you know. Check yourself, you know. Me tete Medical, but me never reply be our Twitter. But I hope say by all means. But no, I'm a management. They be no matter to say. No number some so to the red concert no not like once I make copy from but many opportunity no into no Charlie me chill like no management ni number say many am be 1 2 so still na a bumper say Charlie be able to succeed but this year dear well Medical future YMG future Medical go happy life yeah
so AMG Medical so we share your voice TVGH ayepacho o godson e wa say YMGGH Nidino YMGGH AMG Medical. I think say so we share interview where he needs you or person in your collaboration into baby be our be management team. I think say YMG per se oni munye bibi meaning say Medical there you support the youth into Medical. Me bonfire say you get this video to watch send I will be to me I them abuano. So YMG Medical sorry YMG me person me bisa I say you are self-producing yourself. Do you have a management team?
Hey, Charlie Chava, obisa some. Oh, me ana Charlie bibia video recording no me na me bibia me no bia obeboa me say me ko program na me share some top bi YMG me danim chale my some clothing line be still na it will come on me na me bibia say me train me work hard small na me so chale me dey tweet ya man your man when I'm to me studio fee bibia me na me to antino I don't have anybody to support but now no if I get someone we go support me there actually Charlie, I mean, that was me that you work rough, Charlie.
So Ghana from Penny for Mutia, we have to support the youth. We have to support Ghana, your talent. But Akoya say we don't support the youth because when you go to Nigeria, Penny for no most can almost support to almost youth, no music, music. But when it comes to Ghana now, even record label crab sign on Okrapona Akoya. Boachi Bidi Intinom, YMG ni other upcoming musicians, they need your help. They need your help. In Wabi and Mobi, I'm fan support you. You are still on your Voice TVGH, and this program is Entertainment Click. About room celebrities from most of the different countries. Advantage Bena Uteki concerning this year of return. Uko shows ni bi winning kofu your link up near that a day year of return. A day na unfa year of return.
Oh, Charlie, you try say like any baby, but don't say I don't know superstars, you know, say more do level B. Means I was saying yeah, but no, it's a was no. But I try say Twitter, me follow a lot of stars. Me follow one of the DJ Hit FM, DJ Rainy. Yeah, me follow now by chance so Chama. I want to do some small thing. Be now school. You know, get I was so dropping the contact, mommy. Nti me so me drop me tracks ni bi ma no nti o ti hono ma o se o me make a record nti anu wa me drop me new track bi kra and also check yourself and also challenge no so koso year of return is a rezi and also koso anu wa no sa.
So talking about year of return, I think say minimum say won say CJ Bigaman your track be some freestyle be edukoshia recross and then also watermelon hit maker also one year some freestyle be say be I would share some of the celebrities because celebrities Batown rappers Batown and then also one try say be I will hear nimbi now tag will be and say we be I don't know one you be
oh not like you're working hard we say some like Empire Africa like Africa 360 Africa I say Mr. Easy cool here no so me was a group ni bi ntino me tete Mr. Easy say like you been some small chance be by small no like my new opportunity no ntino you say like I CJ Bigaman no no so yeah upcoming artist by or working hard chalo work no be easy say we share recross chalo easy so working hard ma chalo share no ma. So
big up yourself CJ Bigaman for this move Charlie movie I think is abuano amana kwechepi abuana amana kwechepi na YMG me pese me bisa wo we rapper anameboa
yeah the rap
so we rapper no most definitely your nkrofu bia u follow mu like o pese wo you want to be like them or you want to be like more even than them me pese o mami o top 5 best rappers in Ghana top 5 best rappers in Ghana. YMG man will top 5 best rappers in Ghana.
Oh, Charlie, I'm done so but I got top 5 there.
Oh, the mommy top 5. Minimum some bros, but the mommy will top 5.
Oh, say obi a no feeling no. Yeah, me feel you are. Ebia, ye tunu mi say obi a do penance. Obi tumi ga so onyu ye de, enye de. I just say obro asu ba o show nkran. Oh, 5 me tumi ama. First of all, say enim Kensack, number 1. Ana mi shema I go put my godfather AMG Medical, yeah, Medical, Joy B, Charlie, Public Project to be my guy, Strong Mind, T-Flow, Flo Kingston, Charlie a lot.
I think
coming at this because he had to Charlie Big Up, Charlie Grand.
I think they will top 5 in a very solid. But you mention of Medical being your godfather. Medical or godfather, I think that you look up to him. Are you planning of doing any collaboration with Medical? Because I think that if you do any collaboration with Medical, maybe you can blow. Are you planning of even contacting Medical management team? Say, "Oh baby, Biana."
Okay, go ahead. I'm planning, Charlie. You say, my new track might release. You know, check yourself. You know, me tete medical, but me never reply be on Twitter. But I hope say by all means. But no, I'm a management. You know, matter to say. No, the number. Some so to the red concert. So not like I say me copy phone, but me opportunity. No, into no Charlie. Me actually like no management. You number say many are more by 1 2 1 2. So still na a bomb price say Charlie be able to succeed. But this year, dear. Well, medical, future, YMG future medical, go happy life. Yeah.
So AMG medical, so we share your voice TVGH ayapacho. O godson, ewa say YMGGH. Nidino YMGGH AMG medical. I think say so we share interview where he needs you. Or person ni unye collaboration. Inti baby be a be a management team. I think say YMG per se oni munye bibi. Meaning say medical there you support the youth inti medical. Me bonfire say you get this video to watch send I will be to me them abuano. So YMG medical sorry YMG me person me bisa o okase no na I say una uye bibia you are self-producing yourself. Me person me say do you have a management team?
Hey Charlie Chava obisa samo o me ara Charlie me bibia video recording no me ara me bibia me no bia obebo me say ko program na me share some top be YMG me denim Charlie my some clothing line be still na it will come on yeah na me bibia say me train me work hard small na so Charlie me dey tweet you man your man when I'm to studio fee bibia when I'm to antino I don't have anybody to support but now no if I get someone we go support me there Charlie I me down was me that work hard from Charlie.
So Ghana from penny for Mutia, we have to support the youth. We have to support Ghana your talent, but Akoye say we don't support the youth because when you go to Nigeria, penny for almost can almost support to almost youth no music, almost music ashim. But when it comes to Ghana now, even record label crab sign one crap na Akoye Boachi Bidi into YMG ne other upcoming musicians no they need your help. They need your help. In Mwabia Mobi, I'm fan support them. You are still on your Voice TVGH, and this program is Entertainment Click. Entertainment Click. Your Voice TVGH, your best entertainment program. So follow ya, please, Maka. Go to Facebook, like our page, Your Voice TVGH. Instagram at Your Voice TVGH. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click on the notification button. No? So click on the notification now, please. Videos we are Yadibetu will be no you will be the first person to watch the video. But answer na Yebe Kono, please. We want to find out for YMG. Obema a freestyle about Watermelon because that track naturally it's bad. Yebe sound Obema a track freestyle about Watermelon, but Yebe sound say the last words man fans are almost sheno no. Yebe say YMG Yebe say yen wrap it up. Yebe say yen bisao where's been an Odima or fans Oma follow YMG music. What should they expect from you? Oh
Charlie, I said come up with Biara Charlie. I say streets in your shots here, but still no, I never give up Charlie. Believe the hustle. Oh, I said come up with Biara. I said come up with fucking boy producer A1 Boom Beat Charlie. So then come out there a lot. By I say me ko shows at times me for be anko by although I'm actually no Charlie, me so me appreciate it. To know, so they come be like Charlie. Just keep on supporting YMG music, Charlie. This year, I hope say Charlie. We go make am, but we go make am. Sure.
Now, social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. For to join us, fans now, but so follow no, they can follow you.
Oh, Charlie, Facebook me use Young MG. Facebook me use Young MG. Twitter to me use YMGGH Twitter and IG to me use I am Young MG. Yeah, and YouTube so need to subscribe to my channel so that go get any information biara Young MG music. Yeah, Young MG music. Young MG music GH. And not to be subscribe to my YouTube channel Charlie. Now support it.
Okay, YMG Waware now. Waware, Owoba, and I said then we fans person.
Oh boss, I don't worry, Charlie. I'm single in my single room, Charlie. Single room with single room and porch, Charlie. Girl cry me be Charlie.
while say in man motion YMG say or single in a single room and you know he is still available he is searching you know why ready be a good girl be a obetimi the proposal na for me so na me da for YMG but YMG be say we freestyle about watermelon na yemfa wrap up the program today.
Oh, watermelon dey say a hot song, what I say, hot song. But I know the freestyle them by also man rap a cappella small be okay. Here you go. I see. Get to you tia bre. You see any free but still yes re. You tia pem the near pem hey but still no money they come more all day long. When a man make hot. Why am Jinabena Missimania block? Hustle for the paper, struggle for the dough. Money with the root of evil. Make you know deceive you. Always think twice in a good hey. With the cost for the paper every day. Why am Jin to the world? Let's go. Yeah.
Bless YMG Charlie yeda was pass over your voice TV so Ghana for Ashefo Munia yedi jumedie no eba na wie ye friend me Papa Kelly ubetimi e follow me Facebook uko Facebook Papa Kelly ube hu Instagram at PYKDMC uko Twitter so at PYKDMC na me na medi jumedie chiame Papa Kelly ubetimi friend me PYKDMC and ubetimi friend MC Kelly and ubetimi friend me the Supremo me da ma say mo hwe jumedie salute.